Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2016 Cadillac SRX Performance. SRX has been replaced by the XT5, same basic platform, but honestly, if you look at the styling of the SRX, it's definitely way more angular, aggressive. I really do like it. I mean, these headlights are absolutely look at that. They're massive. But what is a really, really cool feature is this. When your headlights are on, this lights up. And it also features as a turn signal. That I really, really like. I just took some photos of this at night. So, I mean, these are definitely reminiscent of the 50s fin taillights. So the SRX kind of features those styling elements that were popular on older Cadillacs and puts them with a little modern twist. These seats are very, very comfortable. You got nav, everything you'll need there. Where do you push? Here? Yep. So that pops up. I'm trying to think. This looks like it will raise up, but it doesn't, so. Camera, mirrors drop down. Let's go for a drive. GM 3.6 liter V6. Again, like I've said in multiple GM reviews, I love the 3.6. Very nice engine. Plenty of power. Do want to say this is a 6-speed. Do have a manual mode. Yeah, 6-speed. Oh, that's a little hidden. Okay. So even though that says manual mode, that's your hidden sport mode. Okay. So if you don't actually use the shifter to change gear, that's sport. In all honesty, man, I'm a big fan of this car. I mean, it's just cool. The styling elements, it's just kind of reminds me a lot of the CTS from like 2009, I think is when the major redesign occurred. Definitely gives me that vibe. No, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. Glad I took this thing home. I was tossed on if I should or not. Found out it had ambient lighting all underneath here, so I wanted to take some photos at night for inventory images. And I am glad I did, because honestly, this is a really nice car. And it's in great shape. What, 55,000 miles on it? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.